Welcome! Today we're exploring how a 14th-century-old faith actually offers a stunning ethical framework for modern AI.
Seriously, how can ancient Islamic principles govern the ethics of something like neural networks? Let's find out.
It all starts with khilafah, or stewardship. We aren't owners here, just temporary, highly accountable trustees. That makes building AI a huge amana, a sacred trust. It's the ultimate test of digital accountability. To govern this trust, scholars use the maqasid al-sharia. Those are the higher objectives of Islamic law. Basically, these 5 objectives outline exactly what needs protecting: faith, life, mind, lineage, and wealth. For AI, this becomes a brilliant checklist. First off, does the system actually preserve human dignity? Next, does the algorithm strengthen our ability to reason, or does it just addict and manipulate us? Finally, does it distribute wealth fairly, or just concentrate power in the hands of tech monopolies? The core here is adl, meaning justice. Islamic law totally forbids biased algorithms that oppress marginalized communities. Which brings us to ilm, or knowledge. The Quran explicitly forbids acting on things we don't fully grasp. So yeah, those opaque black box algorithms, they're a massive moral failure, not just a technical glitch. Because of that, bayan, or complete transparency, is a mandatory religious duty for developers, definitely not optional. So how does this actually play out in the workplace for Muslim professionals? Let's look at some strategies. You've got to demand explainable AI, create appeals processes, and flat out refuse to build systematically harmful tools. Advocating at work like this literally fulfills the religious duty of commanding good and forbidding evil. Staying silent about harmful tech just because it's awkward at work is considered the absolute weakest faith. Instead, strive for ihsan, or active excellence. Basically, code as if the creator is watching every single keystroke. And honestly, this entire framework completely rejects mass surveillance, invasive tracking, and secretly harvesting user data. It really demands humility. Developers have to test extensively and halt deployment if there's any potential harm. This also strictly prohibits lethal autonomous weapons. We can't give soulless machines the unchecked authority to kill. So, standing at the frontier of artificial intelligence, you have to ask, what legacy will your code leave?